Public sector professionals, I'm sure, are supremely aware of the constraints on time, budget and resource. In terms of developing an effective social media strategy, clearly those constraints need to be taken into account. Therefore puts a premium on properly assessing the role, the level of resource, time, money, budget, resource, etc. that should be devoted towards social media. It also, again, puts a big emphasis on really understanding the audiences that an organisation is targeting. What do I want those people to do? What role does social media play in their lives? The good news is that a lot of the research that in previous years may have been too expensive or limited use, we have a lot of data, a lot of resource to help us now to better understand the nature of the audiences that we're targeting, their use of social media, to help us to plan more effectively the right mix, the right combination, the right emphasis on the social media approaches that you may take. Take Twitter as an example. Don't make assumptions about a particular platform, don't make assumptions about whether an audience is actually there or how they use it. I think very often people assume, for example, Twitter is a natural place to engage with an audience. That may be true. On the other hand, it may well be that your target audience is present on the platform, but they do not use it as an engagement medium. They're simply using it to consume information. Therefore, simply trying to reach that audience through Twitter, that's fine. But if you have high expectations that you're going to engage with that audience, as in you're expecting that audience to share your content, click links, like your tweets, it might not necessarily be the case. So it's probably far better to identify that before you actually conduct any activity, spend any time, money and budget resource on doing it, making sure that the things that you are doing are genuinely going to have a demonstrable effect on the impact and helping to achieve the aims and objectives of the organisation. I think one of the key reasons why public sector professionals should consider attending this course is looking at the fact that the material within the workshop is very much based upon both practice and theory, although with an emphasis very much on the practical. I've been working in the realm of social media and digital for the best part of 20 years. So a lot of the material we're looking at has been very much grounded in real world experience, working with public sector organisations, figuring out the things that work, equally looking at the things that don't work. It's important to put some kind of theoretical context around the things that we're looking at, but ultimately anyone attending this course should be able to walk out at the end of the day confident they can take back to their organisation, to their office, to their desk and implement some practical approaches and a practical strategy towards getting the most effective social media strategy and implementation.